remove and pop. If we want to remove an item from our list, we can use remove. So if I type in our list name followed by the reserved word remove, and we have to refer to the item. So the item we might want to remove from this list, maybe it's bananas. Okay, so and then what we could do, we can see our list after we've removed the fruits bananas. So what we've done here, we've got our list of fruits within our list. We've referred to our list name. We've stated that we want to remove bananas and we want to print the fruit. So let's save this and let's run. Okay, so you can see that bananas has been removed from this list. We also can pop items from a list, and this is the same as doing remove. However, this time we have to refer to the item's index. So now if I want to remove something from this list using the reserved word pop, I would have to refer to the item's index. Say I want to remove apples, I would have to use the list name fruits, pop, and then its index position. So we got apples in index position 0. Okay, so we've got apples 0, pears 1, bananas at 2, but that's only in our list at the moment. But if we were to print it after we've done this remove bananas, we wouldn't actually have bananas in the list. Okay, so fruit dot pop 0, and now what we're going to do is print our list after we've removed bananas and we've removed apples at index position 0. So if we save it, run. Okay, so you can see here, after we've popped our index position 0, we've removed apples. Okay, so our list now consists of pears, plums, oranges and apricot.